ora my cousins, it's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm off to find two of the most famous native birds of Aotearoa, the moa and the kiwi. Hoake tātou. Hey, what's that? You're not a kiwi, you're a chicken. Come on. Whoa, what are you? You're not a moa. I wonder what it'll be like to be a moa. That'd be out of it. Pooh! Check it out, cousins. It's the largest native manu, the moa. Ooh, it's ginormous. Hey, did you know there's actually 6 species of moa? I wonder if they're related to Auntie Anika. I found it. It's the Kiwi house. He tohu. Please be as quiet as possible. Check it out, my cousins. I found where the Kiwis live. The Kiwi, the OG, the native, the one and only. But I can't see any of them. Oh, I know. It's because they only come out at night time. They're nocturnal. I want to be nocturnal. The Kiwis are awake. So cool. One's called Barkley and the other one's called Pikelet. Wow, I've never been this close to a kiwi before. Look, check out the amazing whare. Oh, what a whare. Oh, wow, that was amazing. I had such a good time today. I got so close to some kiwi. I'm gonna become a kiwi. Ka kite anō.